My dear children, in this session we are going to deal with Introduction to Internet and its parts and the use of URL for information sharing. Let me ask a question. What is an internet? A global computer network providing a variety of information and communication facilities consisting of interconnected networks using standardized communication protocols. That means, look at the picture given. There are many systems are connected together via internet. They can share information, they can communicate each other with the standard protocols. The network is also termed as network of networks, or simply it is known as net. Internet, interconnected networks. The internet emerged in United States in 1970s, but it is not visible to general in 90s. But for 2020, approximately 4.5 billion people, or more than half of the world's population, were estimated to have access to the internet. That means its evolution and development in a rapid manner. The internet provides a capability so powerful and general that it can be used for almost any purpose that depends upon information, and it is accessible by every individual who connects to one of its associated networks. The internet is a massive network of networks, networking infrastructure. It connects millions of computers together globally, forming a network in which any computer can communicate with another as long as they are both connected to internet. The World Wide Web, or simply a web, is a way or medium for accessing information over internet. That means once the computers are connected together, then the World Wide Web facilitates the feature of accessing informations. It is an information sharing model that is built upon top of the internet. Coming to the next topic, that is Uniform Resource Locator. URL is nothing more than the address of a given unique resource on the web, or the address of a website. That means the URL matches users to the specific resource online, such as a web page. That means it is nothing but it is the address of any object in the internet. For example, if you are storing an image of a flower in your local disk D, that image will have a path. Also, that image having its name along with its extension. Like that, if you can store your object in the internet, then the World Wide Web provides a URL for your object. That is a unique identification address for anything which can be shareable. It may be an image, it may be an audio, video, or any web page or website. That means anything you are sharing through a network will have a unique identification address that is called URL. Look at the example. www.dataflare.training. That is one of the example for URL. What is the anatomy or how we can structure a URL? That is, each and every URL will have a host, a directory and a file name. The host consists of a protocol, a domain name and a top level domain. The directory consists of the web pages or websites or sub pages in a website. The file name is the exact content which is available in a particular web page. Now, the host contains the protocols such as HTTP, FTP, TCP/IP, SMTP, POP3, etc. that we already discussed. www means the host name. It is the host name of URL. That means if you are finding any object in your computer, you will get the host name as localhost. But for internet, it is www. After a dot, you will get the domain name. That is the first level domain name which is given for a URL. The domain name specifies the IP address of a particular system or an object. Then the top level domains explains in which category the website or web page resides. It may be a commercial purpose, it may be for educational purpose, or it may be for government purposes. How we can decode a basic URL is, that is HTTP, that is a protocol which contents are secured by being encrypted and digitally signed. Normally nowadays we will get not HTTP, it is coming like HTTPS, that is HTTPS secured. Then the domain name or the machine name. Domain name or the local host name, normally we will have www. Then the root domain only specifies in which area the requested element resides. That is, the domain name of a website gives the exact address of an object which is requested by a client, that is user or a web browser. The domain name is matched with the IP address of the system which is connected in a network. Actually, domain name is a readable or a characterized name, whereas IP address is a unique number. We can also use IP addresses for finding any object in internet. The using of IP address is very complex. It is easy to forget but tough to remember. So that the IP address of a particular node or computer is translated into domain name and it is served in web server. So whenever a client or the web browser requests any domain name, the server matches the domain name with the IP address. Thereby, it can take the element from a particular node and delivers to the browser. So that is the use of domain name. The next one is top level domain. That means under which category the domain resides. It may be a commercial purpose, it may be a government purpose, it may be for a learning or educational purpose. The next one is the file name and its extension. Once we found that node, then we can easily found the element which resides in a particular node. The file name and the extension is nothing but the actual content that a browser requires. In the conclusion, for sharing any information through internet, we need URL, that is Uniform Resource Locator. I hope you all can understand this topic. Thank you.